Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex scalping strategies. Click on the scalping strategies and then you will find here one video called the best Forex scalping strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Please allow me now to share with you my live trading session which I'm about to begin right now, and it is only 2:13 p.m. Dubai time. Actually, I'm looking right now at the Euro USD. The Euro USD, my friends, is actually showing us a very interesting setup. Right now, if I check the 4-hour time frame, and by the way, of course, as you know, I'm using the 20 pips a day strategy, which means you are just aiming 20 pips per every trade. However, in this video, of course, I'm doing more than one trade because I am actually the creator of this strategy. I'm the founder of it, and I believe I have some more confidence trading with this strategy and open more than one just trade. So, as you can see right here, we're having a support level right now on the 4-hour time frame, which means, and of course, by the way, we are having here triple bottom pattern, indicates that most likely the pound USD might actually now make a strong bullish reversal, which means since we are actually on a support level, we need now to switch to the 15-minute time frame and try to find something good for the buy. Now, if we actually, I'm going to place the buy order right now. Fantastic. Fantastic. And I'm very happy about my entry, since I'm actually using IC markets, and as you can see, the spread is just fabulous for IC markets. This is amazing, especially for the gold. It is just less than 1 pip. It's 0.6 pips right now. Anyway, first of all, I want to set my stop loss, investing about $200 in this trade. Meanwhile, the take profit level must be placed right here at the nearest resistance. Sorry. Now let me just tell you why did I open the trade right here. First of all, we are actually facing a broken resistance level. Now, of course, my friends, the very correct way, in my opinion, to draw the resistance line is just like that, in a way that the line is actually touching every single tail, or sorry, every single wick on the candles, which actually represents the resistance level. Now we had right here the bullish breakout candle. Now pay attention. We are having right here a resistance trend line just like that. Fantastic. Now we are seeing the resistance trend line has been actually breaking out from with the same bullish breakout candle, and right now the market has fallen down all the way, retesting the broken resistance trend line to create a new support trend line. Now, of course, we cannot just do that every single time we see this on the 15-minute time frame. We have to switch to the bigger time frame, such as the 4-hour time frame, just to make sure that we are actually on a support level. If you are on a support, then proceed to buy the pair with this setup. If not, then please don't do that. If you are on a resistance on the 4-hour time frame, then I highly recommend you to not do that. But of course, now we are on a support, so it should be actually fine. And now it's just a waiting game. All we need to do is simply waiting for the market to make a pullback, and the target, as I have mentioned earlier, is gonna be right here as the nearest resistance to our entry. Don't just place your take profit level randomly anywhere you want. Don't place it just because you want to earn $500, so you will place it at $500. It doesn't work this way. There are some principles that we need to consider first. We need to consider that the safest place to place our take profit level lies exactly at the nearest resistance or support to our entry. Second of all, make sure that your stop loss is equal to your take profit level, so your risk to reward ratio is 50-50. So I'm planning actually to invest about $200 in this trade, but the take profit level is just 156. That is wrong. Let me now just raise the stop loss to make it equivalent to equal to the take profit level, just to be safe. And now it's just a waiting game, but meanwhile I wanted to make a checkup about the signals which I have sent last Wednesday on the midweek analysis video, and I'm happy to say that actually almost all of them are actually going in a very good profit. Pound USD has reversed exactly from the sell level, currently running in 95 pips of profit. AUD USD has also reversed from the same level I have mentioned and currently running in 54 pips of profit. USD CAD is flying like there is no tomorrow and currently running in 116 pips of profit. USD JPY did not even trigger our buy level. USD CHF has reversed also from the level I have mentioned to buy in 45 pips so far. The gold has reversed as well from the same level where I have mentioned to start selling and currently running in 313 pips of profit. Now, what's really annoying me is no one's saying anything in the comments. I mean, guys, okay, I know that Monday was really a bad beginning of the week. Most of the signals, if not all of them, have failed, and I have fixed my mistake on the midweek analysis video. I want you guys to give me a chance because we cannot actually give up 100% profitable signals every single week. I'm doing the best I can to serve here everyone for free on YouTube, and hoping that these signals can help you to gain more profits and to increase your trading skills. However, sadly, when the signals are failing, so many subscribers are leaving, so many of them stop watching because they just want 100% profitable signals. That simply can never happen. However, again, I say it that I have actually fixed my mistake, and I actually read the DXY better, and I believe it was very accurate reading, and thankfully these signals are right now running and profit. Of course, not only the free signals on YouTube, even the signals from the premium group. Check this out. Check this out. The last 2 days have been amazing for the premium group, as we can see. Almost all of the signals have reached the take profit level. Check this out. Even on Tuesday, Wednesday, and now Thursday, the signals are running in a very good profit. And I'm sure the clients are very happy and pleased with the experience. Especially actually the free signal, which we have recently sent on the free group, have reached finally the take profit number 3. So I'm sure the clients are very happy and pleased with the experience. So of course, everything is running well so far. It was a good midweek in my opinion, and I really hope it's gonna continue this way. Anyway, we are right now on the Euro USD, and again, let's see how things will be going. So far, it's not going so well. We are running in about 6 pips of loss, which is normal, I think. Allow me please to pause the recording. Oh my goodness, we are in $109 of loss. Okay. All right. Okay. Seems like we need to close it right now in loss. Of course, someone might tell me, Salah, you send a sell signal for the Euro USD, but you are now here buying it. Guys, this is just a scalping. I'm not saying that I'm buying the Euro USD to continue the rise. I'm just a scalping. Meaning I'm just looking for the impulse or the pullback. However, it's not gonna work every day. Sometimes it's gonna fail. And as you can see, $138 of loss so far. That's actually quite a lot. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. That's not good at all. That's not good at all. Okay. We have lost about $170 in this trade. Okay, these things can happen. Shit happens. It's really annoying. I don't like it when it happens. But however, we always need to consider that we should always recover the losses. I need now to check what I can do about that. Please give me a few minutes, my friends, to hopefully trying to find a good setup where actually I can recover this loss, and hopefully we will end up in a good profit for this trading session. So anyway, give me a moment and I'll be back to you. Alright, we have here a good find on the NZD JPY. I'm, by the way, still really pissed about that $150 that we have lost, but I really intend to recover it right now. So this trade is going to be focusing on recovering the losses, and the trade after is going to be aiming the profits. As you can see, even the tone of my voice has changed because I'm really disappointed. It was very fast and not expected, and I just really hate when this happens. Even when you are a day trader and you can control your emotions, it's just really pissing me off to lose this money that fast and for no reason. Anyway, I need to start shorting for the NZDJPY right away. And the take profit level is gonna be placed right here. Let me just go back to the 50-minute time frame and gonna place it exactly right here. And of course the stop loss is gonna be placed just right there. 155. Okay. Let me just tell you guys the plan. So the reason I had opened the trade right here. First of all, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly that we are facing a strong key resistance level. Now, on the 4-hour time frame for the NZDJPY, we are having here that pin bar which has appeared recently, and this candle is just a new candle. It has just been born. It is just like halfway away. It's on the halfway yet. It's just 2 hours. 2 hours 30 minutes for the expiration for this candle, so meaning we are actually in the middle of the timer of this candle, which means we can still rely on the 4-hour time frame for this candle, I mean. Now going back to the 40 again, since we are seeing this pin bar, it means that we can consider shorting the market, and most likely the NZDJPY is gonna continue the fall at the moment. Sorry guys, as you can see, I'm really not speaking well because I'm really still pissed off about that loss. It's annoying me. I don't know why this is happening. It's just really annoying me so much. Anyway, now going back to the 15-minute time frame. Actually, I'm going even to the 5-minute time frame. I want to show you something. Now on the 5-minute time frame, I'm going to do something very interesting that many of you don't believe in. I noticed that a lot of traders, they have sent me messages. They say we don't believe in your strategy about the trend lines. Now, my point, my friends, is what I do right now is actually simply like that, drawing the resistance trend line from any point to any point, just like that. Draw it from any high to any lower high, and simply drag the very same resistance trend line I have drawn, and as you can see, it has actually matched up along with every single high we had. So we have right here this lower high, and if I connect it, if I just drag the same resistance trend line and place it right there, we can see that the market has actually been respecting that level of a resistance trend line. And of course, if I drag it all the way up right here, if I place it on this wick right here, we can see that the market has indeed respected that same level of a resistance trend line as well. So basically what I did is simply just like that. Now we had right here a previous support trend line. Let me just zoom in to show it to you. I think it's way zoomed out. So right now we are having here a support trend line which has recently been broken out from with this bearish breakout candle, and right now we can see the creation of a new resistance trend line, which means that the NZDJPY is definitely gonna continue the fall. Now using the word definitely is not good. I would actually change it to say most likely is gonna now continue the fall, at least to reach the nearest strong key support level to our entry, which is right there exactly. Now it's a waiting game, as I said before. We just need to wait and see what will gonna happen. So let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen. And I'm very, very satisfied and happy with the results so far. We have recovered actually more than half of the losses in just one single trade. Currently, the NZDJPY is running in about 11 pips of profit, and I believe the take profit level is just $138. Fantastic, fantastic. Really, really, I'm happy. I will let the trade to hit the take profit level. Yes, 100. We are actually now above $100 of profit. Very satisfying for me. 99. Let's see what will gonna happen. Maybe I will just close it right now. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes! No! I don't want this to happen. I think I will just close it right now, guys. Wait. Okay, my hand is itchy right now. Okay. Guys, do you see this? I'm about to lose the trade because I'm hungry for one more pip. $123, and I closed it manually. I just really hate to see the market reversing from the take profit level. But again, I'm very happy because we have recovered about 80% of the loss, which is really fantastic. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Now I'm relieved. Finally, I'm relieved. I'm very relieved right now. Okay, so back to the charts. Let's now see what we can do. We still have about $50 to recover. Let's see now what we can do about that. And of course, with $50 only, we can easily recover that and make a decent profit as well. All right, so let's see what we can do right now. I'm looking in the charts to find if I am actually on a very strong key or support or resistance level. For example, the pound USD right now is actually on a support, but is it safe to open the trade? The answer is not. As we can see right here, the market has created here these 3 weeks right here, as we can see. The 3 weeks right here tells us that this support level is weak and most likely is gonna continue the fall. Especially we have seen right here long wicks at the candles at the top of the candles, and actually the structure here is very weak, and I believe the pound USD is actually going to continue the fall. So that being said, maybe if I go to the 15-minute time frame right now, you know what, no, I'm not gonna do that. It's not safe. I want to have a safe entry. I know this is supposed to be educational, but that's my account we're talking about right now, and I want to recover the losses. I just want to trade. That is exactly, my friends, how I do my daily trades. Exactly the same way you are seeing right here. Nothing special at all in my another trades. This is exactly what I do in my day trading. The only difference here is I'm just thinking loudly. Anyway, AUDJPY, okay, AUDJPY is actually showing us something very good. We can see that the market has also created right here a pin bar, and seems like the market has also failed to break out from that resistance. Very similar to the NZDJPY as well. Going now back to the 50-minute time frame, this is good. Now, what we are having right here is a resistance level. Now we can expect from the market to make a pullback right now, maybe. And after that, it's gonna continue the rise till it retest the broken support level right here. We are actually having here a support trend line as well, just like that. So maybe there will be a pullback. Now the general movement for this pair is gonna be to the fall. It's gonna be bearish. So most likely we have to wait for the pullback to occur right here. And once it's completed, I'm going to start a sell order. So that is gonna be the best setup that we can wait for. We have to wait for the candle to rise for about 20 pips before we can start shorting it. Okay. How about that? How about that? Okay, let me just make sure. The take profit level is placed right there, about $200. Fantastic. And the stop loss is gonna be $170. All right, so let me just tell you what happened right now. So in my opinion, it's very easily to expect how the market is gonna move right now. So let's just study the chart and check the history of it. Let me now go back in the time. Pay attention. Every single time the market has actually retested that level as a support, it has made a strong bullish reversal. Right here we can see that the market has went up for about 16 pips. Right here the market has also created a pin bar, and even right here the market, after the bullish breakout, has actually created a new support, and the market rose for about 64 pips. Again, same happened right here also on the second attempt, when the market created here a support level. Even right here, by the way, we can see this long tail. The market has actually reversed for about 37 pips, and even right here the market has reversed for about 18 pips. And no matter how we check it, my friends, every single time the market visited the same level, 93.333, as a new support, it has indeed created the level as a new support. Look at that. The market has created a new support almost every single time it visited that level as a new support. Maybe it failed here, as we can see, but the majority of the attempts have actually went in a very good profit, as we can see. Let's check this out. The market has always reversed at that level when it created a new support. So every time the market has made a bullish breakout from a resistance, it became a new support. That's the reason. And when I zoomed out like that, I actually have spotted right here that support level, and that support right there, and that resistance, and that tail right here. Seeing all of that have actually convinced me to open a buy order right now, since we're actually able to analyze this chart and assuming that the market is going to continue the rise, and then we can start shorting right here. So by confirming that this level has always become a new support and seeing that this level has always been respected, as we can see, then why not open here a new order, and this is gonna be our new support until the market rise all the way right here, and then we can start shorting the level, the market from that level. As we can see, the trade is running in profit so far, currently running in $24 of profit. So far it's not bad, so far it's good. I'm happy about what's happening. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as you can see, my friends, we are running right now in $62 of profit. I'm going to close it, and because of one reason, I want to recover the losses. Thankfully, in just 20 minutes, I have been able to recover the losses. Now I'm totally relieved. That's good news. That's really good news. I'm not a greedy person. I could have let it actually to run in more profit, but that's fine for me. I just want to see myself recovering the losses and just get done with it. I want to start over. We already in 20 minutes, but that's fine. I don't care at all. I'm going to show you, my friends, my trading skills and to make you actually be convinced that even if you lost money, you can easily recover. Losses is part of this business. You can never you can never become a day trader if you can't accept the losses. The reason I behaved like that is actually I really hate it when it happened live. And very fast. I mean, in just less than under 5 minutes. I mean, yeah, under 5 minutes, I have lost $170. That's actually a lot for me. Especially that I don't have actually that much of big account. I have only a small account. Usually my accounts is like 2,000 to 3,000, not any more than that. Yeah, usually I deposit like $2,000 every week, or actually withdraw my money and actually keep $2,000 for investing for the next week. Sometimes, of course, I lose. Sometimes I succeed, of course, that is very normal. But thankfully, within my years of trading, I learned that we have to accept the losses. And when I lose, I don't actually exceed $500 of loss. That's gonna be the maximum I can lose. If the account went down from 2,000 to 1,500, I would just simply stop and consider it like a weekend started already. I cannot continue trading if I have lost that money. I might tell myself, Salah, believe in yourself. You're a professional trader. You can easily make it happen. But actually, my friends, it's not that easy. When you reach this amount of loss, you have to wait for really, really perfect setup. And when that, let me just tell you something. I think since you guys are listening, I think when I reach about $1,500 on my account, meaning if I have lost $500, I will stop. I will not scalp anymore. I will simply go to the 4-hour time frame and completely rely on it. For example, for the pound CAD. The pound CAD right now seems very good, right? What I will do is I will simply wait and seriously wait for a long time for the market to make a breakout from that level of a resistance, then fall again all the way, reaching that level of a support. This is the lowest level of the support, and the market can never actually break out from that level easily. So this is actually, in my opinion, one very trusted setup. That support must be respected for a few pips at least, and from these few pips I can actually recover any losses occurred. So when you are analyzing this and trade it on the 4-hour time frame, it's actually more profitable, but however, it takes hell of time. For example, right now I'm on the 4-hour time frame. The pound CAD actually is showing us something very promising, but it's going to take a while. We are having here a resistance trend line, as you can see. This is the resistance trend line, and placing here a buy order for short time only when the market reaches that broken resistance trend line is actually a very good idea. But however, we're just aiming few pips only, like about 30 pips only, and we can make some profits to recover the losses. So that's my strategy. When I lose big amount, I only trade the 4-hour time frame without even looking at the 15-minute time frame. When I do look for the 15-minute time frame, it means that I want to scalp the market and I want to enter as many trades as I can. However, we are right now in break even. We are not even in profit yet. I'm now switching between the charts, hoping to find something. Anyway, let me please now pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find the next setup. And of course, the next setup that we're actually aiming is gonna be exactly the same of the AUD JPY. If you remember, guys, I have just made the profit by buying the pair from that support, and I have reached that level, and we closed it right there with a profit. However, the original plan was to wait for this pair to continue the rise till it reaches that broken support level, and that's exactly what I'm planning to do. I think I will place this sell order right now. If I just zoom out like that, we can see clearly that it's actually matching up with the real level of the resistance, and I will show you this in a minute. Now I'm planning to place the sell order. It's just like 1 pip, less than 1 pip far away. Let me now place the sell order, and done. The stop loss is gonna be about 1.5 lot size. That's a lot. Okay. Should have actually reduced that. Okay, no problem. No problem. Now, for the take profit level, let's make it about right here till the market reaches that nearest support on the 15-minute time frame. All right, let me just tell you something. If we scroll to the left right now, at the same level where we have placed this sell order, now we can see that the market has actually failed to make a real breakout from that level. The market, indeed, as I have mentioned earlier, made a support, but of course for a few pips only. In general, this was a false breakout. The real level of the resistance lies exactly right there at the same level of my entry. Look at that, even right there, we are having also the reversal occurred on the same level of the real resistance. Keep scrolling to the left. This is amazing. This is perfect. Now we can see that the market has indeed reversed from the real level of the resistance. Meanwhile, this entire structure was a false breakout. Interesting. Meaning, I have placed my trade at the same level of the real resistance. Therefore, this is going to be the best level to place our sell order, considering that we had right here a false breakout has appeared. So the market has actually tricked us, assuming that the market is going to continue the rise from that level, but the market has indeed resumed the fall. Currently, it's just retesting the broken level. Now we can see that I'm running in loss, but again, this is normal. Let's now wait for a few pips, for a few minutes and see how things will be going. So until then, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as I told you, my friends, it's running right now in $83 of profit. The market has fallen for about 10 pips, I would say, and we are actually making very good profit out of it. I might actually close the trade right now. I'm actually done. I'm really done. 78. I think it's going to continue fall more, but however, I just want to secure profits. Yes, $90, $90, $90. Fantastic, $90, fantastic. We have made $90. Again, my friends, I really know it was a small amount that I have made, but however, consider that we have made a big loss in the beginning of this video, and thankfully I was able to recover it. I know you guys expect me to trade with thousands of dollars, but sadly, I don't have this amount. I don't have that kind of money. All I'm doing, my friends, is just being like just one of you. I am one of you guys. I'm not anyone special. I don't have that big account to trade. I cannot actually trade $15,000 or $100,000 account. I don't have that ability. I cannot control my emotions with that big account. I don't even have that kind of money to begin with. Again, I think it was somehow educational live trading session. It showed you that we can actually lose. Everyone can lose, but it has also proven to you that we can always recover any losses if we really want to. Losses is part of trading forex. However, if you focus enough, you will recover easily, easier than you think, and in very short time. What time we began this recording? Right now it's actually it's now 3:21 p.m. Dubai time. I think we have spent around 1 hour or maybe less than that. But however, let's wrap up now and let's close this session and call it for the day. Of course, I will be trading more, but however, I will be waiting until it's 6 p.m. That time actually, well, the market will be actually easier to be traded because there will be less news and less activities. However, I will stop trading for now. That's enough. I'm actually mentally done, by the way. The loss in the beginning have really frightened me. Anyway, again, in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.